Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we are looking at the brand new 2024 spec Nissan Primastar Tekna. This is a long wheelbase, but it is also a crew van. It's a 170 brake horsepower automatic. Our customer who's having this has kindly let us film around it and discover it together. So what we're looking at is a vehicle finished in what was called Highland Grey, silver metallic paint. I think it looks fantastic with this new 2024 refresh. So what we have is majority of the front is still the same as the 22 model year vehicle. So you still have front parking sensors all the way around, so they creep around to the side there. Around the back you'll have rear parking sensors as well, flank coverage as well as the front and rear. And then you've also got the brand new Nissan badge, so they've updated the badge here on the front of the grille. Up at the top on the windscreen itself we do have automatic lights and wiper sensor, as well as another camera that will read the speed limit signs. This vehicle does have intelligent speed assistance. So the lights on this are really nice actually, so they've upgraded the lights. The keys have changed as well, so this is kind of what the keys are in the bag at the moment. This is what they look like with the Nissan badge on the back. Get two of those, button on the key, if you press that, that activates the lights, and you can see how bright they are. Fantastic looking LED coming around to the side. We can also see that this has changed, so the lower third is now all in body coloured paint. Alloy wheels, body coloured wing mirror covers, as well as a little LED light on the end of that, all body coloured all the way around, which is nice. And then we've got the greyed out Primastar badge. Used to be a chrome badge, if you guys remember. Slightly different font as well, it matches the Nissan emblem. Rear parking sensors on the lower bumper, which is also now body coloured. We can see a button just there on the door handle, so that's your lock and unlock when you're close by. Proximity sensing. You can open up the rear doors, and we're greeted by a fantastic LED light. Really. So we've still got the 12-volt socket in the back here, as well as the lovely LED strip light. And there is also an additional light, which is switched off at the moment, and it's also an LED. So very well lit load area. So we have 2.4 meters along the longest length here, from there to the front underneath the passenger seat, and then 2.3 meters from this side to the front of the bulkhead, just there. It's a feature as well that they've added for 2024 model year Teknas. So if you pull on this tab, that will release the door, and that door will now actually swing all the way around on its hinges. So there we go, the hinge popped out there. And that door is now locked in place almost at 270 degrees. Let's open the other one. So if you're ever being loaded, nice open easy access, as well as if you parked on a curb or anything like that, you don't, the door's slightly more pushed in so people can pass you by. And we've got the side door open here on this one, so we do have twin side loading doors as it is a crew van. You can see there's plenty of space. So looking at these back seats, not much has changed. They are very similar to the 22 model year vehicles. We still retained the top tether hook, which is great for kiddie seats. Middle one as well on the side, and then we have Isofix fitting points on the seats here. Nice and open, easy to access. 12-volt socket has been retained as well, just down here. So there's no storage there. So just pop these seats up. So we have got the storage underneath the seats. So these two seats will have storage. The two outer seats here. Have a look at that. You can see everything in the load area because of that LED lighting signature. And that's super cool. Grab handle to get in and out. Nice non-slip floor as well, which is nice. Nice little step to get in as well. And then another button here. So we have one on the driver side, passenger side, and the rear doors. And then once you open up the door card has stayed primarily the same, all black, like that layout. Speaker in the right place. Then we've got the electric windows, electric folding door mirror. Just notice on the door mirror as well, you can see the little triangle. That is for your blind spot warning. So the vehicle does have blind spot warning. They are heated electric folding mirrors, and I really like some of the changes that they've made on the inside here. Really a Tekna 24 model year, but what some of the changes that they've made, most of it is here where the dashboard is. So you'll notice we've got a digital screen, which we will come back to in just a moment. Sat nav screen, and then you've got the climate control and the SOS button for roadside assistance. So this van does get 5 years of Nissan roadside assistance and 5 years of Nissan manufacturer's warranty as well, which is fantastic. So interesting, because we've also got the Renault version over here. So this is the equivalent vehicle to what we were just showing you on the Primastar Tekna. Get in the comment section, let me know which one you prefer. We can offer you both, but that is honestly my preference. I don't know, something about that Nissan grille, knowing it's a Nissan with a 5-year warranty, 5 years roadside assistance. The Renault version has 3 years warranty, 3 years roadside assistance. And the other thing that I really like about our vehicle is with the intelligent speed assistance program, we actually have the ability to personalize everything and set it to one button press. So here we are, sat inside the cabin of the 2024 Primastar Tekna. We're greeted by this lovely steering wheel, 3-spoke steering wheel, and then we've got all of our controls for the cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side. So for all of our connectivity, it's on the right hand side of the steering wheel, as well as the volume and rocker for this little roller on the back will actually scroll through the different tracks and music that you're playing. So you can see scrolling through the radio right there. Now, looking at the TFT display in front of us, so let's see what we've got on here. So if we go through the trip computer using these buttons here, okay, so we can change to just a speed readout. We can change to the safety features, so the intelligent speed alert system, tire pressure, eco monitor, navigation, so we can have a destination set here, which we're going to do now. So let's go into here and go, and it's a Google search, which is great as well. So we do have a Google search symbol up there. And it's Google mapping, which is fantastic. So that is now navigating us to the dealership, and we get a turn by turn in here. So what else have we got here? We've got a fuel consumption meter, we have the trip computer, tire pressure monitor, and the navigation. So let's go through the other menus that we have available to us. So that's another one with the eco meter down at the bottom, so I'm guessing that's dependent on where your accelerator pedal is. Yep, and then just the speed readout again, and then the safety, so intelligent safety assist, driving assistance there is. And then we can set all of our different settings. So if we don't want any of these on, so if we don't want traffic sign warning, for example, overspeed alert, you can switch it on or off. As standard, it will be on, but you can come in here and change all of your settings the way you want them. We'll set these with our customer when he comes in, but if we have them all on as standard, everything is switched on. And then we'll switch the engine off. Then when we restart the engine, again, everything goes back to being on. All the safety systems will be on now. All we do is press the button here, press it again. Now that goes back to your normal settings. So as easy as that, literally 2 buttons. Automatic lights, automatic wipers, climate control, air conditioning, fan, switch the fan on, I guess, and then we can change the directions in here. And then we have auto climate control. Let's turn that down. We have air conditioning, electric heated mirrors, and heated windscreen. We retain the storage box, which is nice. In here we still have our storage box, USB sockets there, a couple of them with storage, USB socket on the front here, 12-volt socket, which is nice to have in the front as well, passenger side airbag on the Nissan Primastar. Yeah, so we'll just switch it off. Hope you've enjoyed that little overview of the Primastar Tekna Crew van. And if you do have any inquiries, guys, if you'd like to have a look at one, or if you're considering buying one for yourself, with all the changes that are happening with crew cabs, sorry, I should say double cab pickup trucks, all the problems that people are having with them at the moment, with the worry about the tax brackets changing on them, you may want to consider having a crew van. And it's nice that we've upgraded all of the spec on this. We offer the Nissan version as well as the Renault version. Please do get in touch with us if you have any inquiries. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.